Here we have a gear pump and this is a vane pump. Both are widely used for medium and low pressure working conditions. But this day, more and more customers go for the sturdy gear pumps and the steel clean of the vane pumps. What's the reason behind this? There are three main reasons. First of all, gear pumps have a really simple structure. They are super easy to maintain and repairs won't cost you much. More importantly, they can handle dirty oil really well. They don't need super clean hydraulic fluid at all. Vane pumps, on the other hand, run quieter, but the internal parts are tightly fit together. Even a little dirty in the oil can make the vane jam or working out quickly. On business industry setting, tough and reliable equipment always win over delicate ones. Second, gear pumps deliver a steady flow and working well in the most conditions. Vane pumps might be a bit more efficient at their best, but gear pumps working perfectly fine for nearly all medium and low pressure system. They run reliable non-stop for a long time, with flow bubbly effects by flow change. The stable performance is exactly what industry machines need. Third, gear pumps working across a much wider speed range and have almost no suction issues. This is a big plus. Vane pumps are quite picky about speeds. If the speed dropped below 500 RPM, they are sucked in air. If it goes over 1800 RPM, they start to join on in and may suffer competition. Gear pumps working great whether run slow with high torque or at high speeds. They keep good suction and efficiency, so they fit far more types of equipment.